Welcome to day 6 of Advent Calendar season. Let's find out what we're going to unbox today. Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Now these are the Funko Pops. And this is the 24-day calendar. This one I got from Amazon. Here we go. The floor, and we have ornaments. So now let's figure out who's going to be behind door number 1. Starting off with Freddy on day 1. We're on to door number 2. Any guesses on who might be back here? Got a red bag this time. If you guessed Chica, you are right. On to door number 3. We're back on the green ornament. Now who's excited to go see FNAF 2? It's Foxy! On to door number 4, back onto the red ornaments. Alright, let's guess who's in here. It's Balloon Boy. Or if you watched the movie already, what did you think about it? Let's try not to put any spoilers for those waiting to see it. But on to door number 5. Green ornament. Alright, make your guesses on who could be behind this door. And we have Ballerina Girl right here. I will say I don't know much about, I believe, Sister Location. This character came out. I think her name is something to do with ballerina. I'll play on the ballerina name. But she looks adorable. On to door number 6. Yes, I have not played Sister Location or know much about it, but I just know a little bit. Alright. Make your guess on to who's at door number 6. We got another Foxy. Alright, on to day 7. Alright, get the green bag out and we're going to have you guys make your guess as to who's behind this bag. We have another Freddy on to day 8. Right, now I just realized that the bag for day 7 was green and the one for 8's red. Okay. Oop. Alright, so let's find out who's in the bag. We have a Bonnie. On to day 9. I like having the different variations for them. It's kind of cool. Alright. Who's inside the bag? Ready? Another Foxy. He's holding a present. Alright. I will say though, Foxy is my favorite. Day 10. We got the red bag. Let's find out who's in the red bag. Golden Jinka. I feel like it's a Mario Kart skin. Sort of reminds me of Golden Peach. Ornament 11. Oops. I don't know what happened here. There's I don't know if there's 2 bags. I'm gonna say that bag was from the other one. Okay. Anyways, let's find out who's here. Make your guess. Freddy. And he's holding a present. Okay, on to ornament 12. So in the comments section, let me know who's your favorite FNAF character. Have you made your guess? Here we have another Ballora. On to day 13. Make your guess here on to who is in the green bag. Oh, it's another Bonnie. 14. Wonder if they're going to include any of the other animatronics or if we're just going with these ones. Now here. More metallic than the other. Colors are a bit more darker. Seems to be a variant of this one. Is it both holding the cookies? Ornament 15. Wait. Hope it's a new character though. We got a Christmas variant of Freddy onto day 16. Another red bag here. Oh, we do have another balloon boy. Now, this one reminds me of the silver skin in Brawl Stars, kind of. Day 17. Oh, this time we actually have a green bag with the green ornament. What do we have here? Chica! Ornament 18. Right, let's find out who's in this bag. Red Freddy, 19. Oh, we have Bonnie in a Santa Claus outfit. Isn't that adorable? 20. Right, take a guess on who might be in here. So here we have Balloon Boy, who's kind of reminds me of Where's Waldo for some reason. Day 21. I'm still hoping to see someone else. But it's fine if we still get variants of the other ones. Oh, this one's really cool. He's like lightning. 22. All right, time to make your guess before I open it. And it's Chica. I think she's supposed to be a present. Okay, on to day 23. Let's find out who's in this bag. Maybe it's another Foxy. Oh, I actually guessed right. Okay. And this one's all glittery. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera. He's got some glitter. Let me make a guess onto who we might get for day 24. If you want, you can put your guesses in the comment section too. I think the final might be a Bonnie. Now you guys tell me what door 24. Okay, we got a red bag for this one. Okay. Oh, it's the Freddy from the cover. And here we have it, the full Five Nights at Freddy's Funko Pops. 24-day advent calendar. I think they're all very, very adorable. Kind of wish we got a bit more variety with the characters instead of having so many recolors. You all tell me which one was your favorite from this pack. Let me know in the comments section. And as always, stay creative. Bye!